My child, lean in and hear me, because this moment is not random. I have watched every step you took when your strength was gone. I saw the nights when your heart felt empty, when you asked me in silence why I allowed what you loved to slip away. You believed the door had closed forever, but I tell you now, I am the one who opens and no one can shut. And when I shut a door, it is never without purpose. You remember the pain more than the promise, but I remember both. I remember the love you gave. I remember the tears you held back. I remember the prayers you thought went unanswered. My word says, I am close to the brokenhearted, and I have been closer than you realized, even in the moments you felt abandoned. You thought the separation meant rejection, but separation was never the sentence. It was the surgery, because what is wounded cannot be healed without stillness, and what is broken cannot be restored without time. I removed what you could not release, not to punish you, but to protect what I planned to restore. I saw you question your worth, replay your mistakes, and measure yourself by what you lost. But hear me clearly now. You were never forgotten. You were never replaceable. You were never too much or not enough. My word says, I have engraved you on the palms of my hands, and I do not lose what I hold. While you were waiting, I was rebuilding. While you were crying, I was correcting what would have destroyed you later. I was removing pride, healing fear, softening hearts, and aligning timing, because restoration without healing only repeats pain. My child, what you lost is coming back, but not in the same fragile condition. I am not returning broken pieces. I am restoring what was refined by fire, strengthened by silence, and guided by my spirit. My word says, I restore what the years have taken, and I do not speak empty promises. You are afraid to hope again, because hope once disappointed you, but hope anchored in me does not collapse. I do not resurrect what I do not intend to keep alive. When I bring something back, I bring it back with peace, stability, and purpose. Do not rush me, because my timing is not delay. It is precision. What you thought was late is arriving right on time. What you thought was denial was direction. I was leading you away from what could not survive the next season. Lift your eyes now, because you are closer than you think. The tears you cried were collected. The prayers you whispered were heard. The faith you almost lost still speaks. My word says, those who wait on me will renew their strength, and renewal is happening even now. Stay ready, stay open, stay grounded in me. What you believed was finished is not finished. What you believed was lost is not lost. I am the God who resurrects what looks buried, restores what looks ruined, and keeps every promise I make. Trust me, this was never the end. I am Jesus, and I am bringing back what was healed in the waiting.